So we've driven from Skipton
to Ingleton.
Ingleton.
Oh, this is the community centre car park, where again you pay your parking for during the day, and then at 6 o'clock you can pay £5 and stay till 9 o'clock the next morning.
There you go. How's good's that?
4 days.
So it's a bit urban for what we normally do.
Well, there's 4 motorhome bays.
It's urban to a point, but look, it's still North Yorkshire. I'm looking up at the mountains and hills. So plan today, you want to go to the pottery shop and buy a pot.
Buy a big pot.
Because we really need a pot.
Yeah, and then we're going to head up to Ingleton Falls and do the waterfall walk trail.
Okay, but we're not staying, we're going to move from here. Hang on, I've just googled it. What is Ingleton known for? Known as land of waterfalls and caves, the village is most famous for its waterfalls, trails,
which we're going to do tomorrow.
White Scar Caves, the Yorkshire Three Peaks, and Ribblehead Viaduct on Settle to Carlisle train line. Settle to Carlisle train line. We've seen that.
Ribblehead Viaduct is where we stayed at Station Inn.
Ah, that's right.
This is
so,
the pub, look.
This is a pub.
The old post
We
office.
could get
a drink.
half a Guinness if they got it. Well, we wouldn't expect to find that in the middle of nowhere.
Obviously the place to be.
So, we are... Okay, Ingleton.
Waterfalls Trail. £10 each.
That's £20 for the two of us to have a little walk.
One little walk. It says it could take up to 4 hours depending on how
Okay.
slow you walk.
4 hours?
Up to, it says. Well, that's probably including stopping at the cafe, which is halfway around D&K.
Well, we're going to the cafe and back. Here we go. Not with the rain, no. Gorgeous. So it is 4 miles. This walk.
4.5.
4.5 miles. So a couple of hours. But there's a cafe.
Yes, at the halfway point is a cafe.
There's a cafe. So there's hope. There's hope.
So this is Willow Glen. It's where we're going now. Come to Manor Bridge.
You come and wake me every night. You say you've missed the concept of you and I.
I don't know, they brought me pliers. Look at that lot.
It goes right the way through. I don't know whether it's a good thing.
That's a dead tree. Dead tree.
Don't you wonder, we put the first one in. We decided that's what we're going to do.
Can I get that one out? That's the question.
No, don't talk.
Yes, I can. 2p. 2p. No pound coins though. Is there? These are proper money tree.
Darling, please.
That's stunning.
Oh darling, please.
Hopefully. Money tree.
Waking all the changes, I'm loving still working to million pieces. Looking at me, we'll live through the changes.
Everywhere. Love these little pictures. That Paw Patrol. Well, I only know about this because of who's this thing? We love that.
And on Facebook, here's a post picture. Child cancer 2020.
It's a fabulous walk. Where's that cafe?
Give me tears so I can cry. And give me heart so I don't die. Give me tears so I can cry. And give me heart so I don't die.
Good news is it stopped raining, so I've got the camera assistant getting the other camera out, packing away, leave the rain cover on, yeah, and we've just got the drone up over there, so we'll get some nice shots, aerial shots. Fabulous walk, worth £10 each, of course, £5 for children. We just haven't found a cafe yet. That's the only downside. So we've just purchased, yes, an ice cream from an ice cream van that's driven up this track, and he's parked up there. Well done him. Mind you, he charged me a tenner for driving. Okay.
Under the stars, one night I opened it.
So, let's have a little pan round. Hang on. Look at this. Big quarry. Big quarry. Little caravan park. And it's we zoom in. Caravan park. And we're heading back that way. Not sure if the sun isn't. Get that. Spot man.
If I ever let the darkness come alive, I swear I won't be turning round. If I ever let the darkness come alive, I swear that I won't turn around. We found a perfect system to replace all our worn out sins. But if I ever let the darkness come alive, I swear I won't be turning round. If I ever let the darkness come alive, I swear I won't be turned around.
We are nearing the end. This little,
Not too many people doing it either.
no, recommend that.
And it is all one way, so
Yeah.
technically it makes it a little bit easier than looking aside.
So, Ingleton.
Definitely worth a stop over.
Yep. And if you want some granite, this is the place.
Big quarry on the other side of here, isn't there?
Bring some coins.
For the
To
tree, for the
to-
money tree.
Squash in a tree.
Or some pliers.
Supply pliers if you're short of cash. Although they're a bit bent, but never mind.